What's up guys, today I'll be installing my Bavsound Ghost BMW Underseat Subwoofers. It should double the bass, the amount of bass in my car. These do go under the seat. So here's the actual subwoofer that goes under the seat. You see here it's nice and metal, it's pretty heavy. I think it feels really nice, like very premium for sure. This is actually a plug-and-play subwoofer, so I will not have to do any splicing, anything like that. You just plug it in and pretty much use it. It does read on this piece of paper here, it says there's a 12-hour break-in period, and it says output is slightly reduced until this break-in period is complete. Seriously. They had to add the seriously on there, so just so you know, so you don't mistake it. So yeah, let's get to installing that. The first thing you want to do is start by putting the seat backwards or forward. So once you get it back far enough, and you'll see a little plastic tab down here. So this little plastic tab right here, you're gonna want to pop that off. So what you're gonna want to do is remove that bolt right there. So I'm gonna be using a 5/8 socket to get the seat unbolted. So, as you can see, these look way nicer, way more premium than, you know, the BMW speakers, and these are the individual speakers that I have in the M6, like the highest upgrade you can get. The plugs are exactly the same, you know, same exact drill holes, everything. I'd say the BMW one may weigh just a little more. They're pretty close. I really wouldn't be able to tell, honestly. I think it weighs a little bit more, so weight reduction on top of that. So, let's go install it.